Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I am super duper excited to show you how I made this Pusheen clock and this candy cat mirror. I absolutely loved making these. So we're going to be using the molds that we got in the Sophie and Toffee Pixie box for February, which was the perfect theme. So this is actually supposed to be for a trinket tray, and this is supposed to be for a clock. I couldn't believe that they put in a toe bean clock mold. Oh my goodness. And I'm actually going to be using resin given to me by JDiction because it's a 4-hour curing resin. I was very excited to try that out. Of course, I'm using glitter from Resin, and you already know that I've got a discount for you below. So first of all, I'm mixing up my Pusheen pink. It's a very particular pink. I decided to add in a touch of hot pink there just to get the correct shade. And then I'm putting in all of my glitters and my confettis and mixing them up together, and then pouring them into the teeny tiny little toe beans. I'm actually going to be working on both crafts at the same time here. So in this mixture, I'm adding in some clay sprinkles and some little candy bits, and I'm just pouring my first layer into the trinket tray mold, which is actually going to become my mirror. 4 hours later, and it's now time for me to mix up some new colors. So this is going to be added to the gray for Pusheen's Poole. Look at that, it's looking so cute and sparkly already. And then I mixed up some pink and some green to add as my backing for the mirror. As you can imagine, this resin does start to get to work very, very quickly. So I had to work super fast, but look at how adorable that came out. Oh my goodness. So next I have to add on my Pusheen sticker. Of course, I had to go with Pusheenicorn because she is my favorite. I wanted to make this look as magical as possible. Next, I'm taking my Arteza pouring acrylic in the colour sea green, and I'm just filling in the numbers and the little dots around the edges. I do end up changing these dots later on, and you'll see that in just a moment. Of course, I needed to use my trusty Pusheen fan to do all the drying, and then I used the same sea green paint to go over the clock hands. Of course, I'm now using some glitter on top of those hands because glitter. And then I'm taking the rose pink pouring acrylic to use for the second hand. Now, because this clock is not cute enough, we have to add the teeny tiny toe beans onto the ends of the hands. I'm using some UV resin from JDiction as well, and I have to say I am so impressed with it. I'm using a 36-watt lamp to cure it, and it just dried absolutely beautifully with no tackiness at all. I was really, really impressed. So impressed actually that I used it to dome over the toe beans as well. This was the point where I decided that I wanted to actually change the little dots around the paw for some pearls instead, because I do like to have more of a 3D element in this. And I also wanted to display it on a little easel. So I used these amazing chalk markers from Arteza, and yeah, they actually dried really, really quickly on the cute little wooden easel. I got this in the works. It's so, so adorable. But yeah, rather than actually painting it with acrylic paint, this was so much quicker. To get into the really fiddly bits, all I had to do was just simply swap the nib over. So you have a thick nib and a thinner nib, and I think you have chiseled nibs in there as well. So yeah, it's a really versatile product. I really like it. And just look at this. Honestly, how adorable is this clock? It goes perfectly in my Pusheen corner, which I have just finished. What do we think, guys? Oh my goodness, look at you getting a sneak peek of my Pusheen corner. Oh, isn't it it just so glorious? Oh my goodness, I absolutely adore this section of the bedroom. Okay, so back to the candy cat mirror. It's now time to demold it, and I have to say, this resin, it cures so beautifully. It cures really hard and really quickly, and I was so impressed with the way that this turned out. Oh, hello, peekaboo. I added some little adhesive tabs to the back of my mirror and then just pushed it down in the middle to keep it nice and secure. And then I used some air dry clay from Sophie and Toffee, and I just did a little bit of piping all the way around the edges and added on some cabochons to finish. But then I remembered I needed to add glitter because glitter. And there we have it, darlings. What do we think of the candy cat mirror? I absolutely am head over heels in love with this. I love all of the detail. I love all the little sprinkles. I love all the glitter. Anything to do with dessert and cats, and you will have my heart 100%. As you can tell, I'm very excited about these crafts. I had so much fun making them. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you definitely do share it along with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.